Hello everyone, welcome back to Black X Studio. We are back again with a very interesting topic that says about the Snapchat AI chatbot is now free for all the global users. So let's go and talk about it. Snapchat AI chatbot is now opening up a global audience. The company announced today at its Snap Partner Summit. Initially launched in February, the feature originally allowed its paid subscriber to chat with AI chatbot, but now it is available for free. To date this, users have to send nearly 2 million messages per day using the chatbot. With today's global expansion, the feature is also being upgraded with new functionality, including the ability to add My AI to group chats, get recommendation for places on Snap Map and Lenses, and share the snap with My AI and receive chat replies. Later, My AI will be able to respond with unique generative snapback to keep the visual conversation going. The idea to interrogate AI into the app was originally intended to give users another way to engage in the app while taking advantage of growing consumer demand for ChatGPT. The company suggested the feature could be used to do things like suggest a birthday gift for a friend, plan a hiking trip, suggest dinner recipe, or write a poem for a friend. Unfortunately for Snap, the AI soon went off the rails only days after its debut. The Washington Post reported the bot was responding in an unsafe manner. Despite telling the bot the user was a young teen, aged 15, the bot made suggestions about how to mask the smell of alcohol and potted at the birthday party. It also wrote an essay for School for a Teen. Snap in response said the users had been trying to trick the chatbot into providing responses that do not conform to their guidelines, and rolled out new tools including age filter to keep the AI responses more age appropriate. It also said it would introduce insight into its family-centered parental control hub that helps parents and guardians stay informed about their kids' interaction with the bot. In the meantime, the company is making the chatbot more appealing to youngsters by allowing it into the group chats with friends, where the bot will enter into the chat with a sparkle next to its name to make it clear it's a bot, not another group member. The AI will also be able to suggest place recommendations and relevant lenses, like it could suggest a weekend activities or a good lens to wish a friend a happy birthday. And it can now reply to your snap with a chat, and later it will be able to generate a visual responses. The feature will be limited to Snapchat Plus subscribers only. During the Partner Summit presentation, the Snap CEO suggested that the user who send a snap of their dog might get a funny dog photo back as a generative response. Or if you send a snap of a vegetable growing in your garden, My AI might recommend a recipe. And then later he added, "We can't wait to see how our community embraces My AI." It's not clear what sort of safety control will be involved in a generative aspect. This could be another concern, like other generative AI apps like Lensa AI had been easily tricked into making NSFW images. Another new personalization feature will be introduced, including the ability to name your AI and create a custom Bitmoji for it to give your My AI more of an identity. The feature was available only for Snapchat Plus subscription holders for $3.99 per month. Snap said the Snapchat Plus now has more than 3 million subscribers. However, the AI will now be broadly available, with the specific AI feature being a paid upgrade. That's it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. We will see you the next time. Until then, bye bye.